Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and as you guys can see by the title, today I am back with a rainbow clothing haul. So if you guys are interested in seeing the items that I picked up from Rainbow within the past maybe month or so, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so the first little outfit that I picked up from Rainbow is this cute little jogging set or workout set. This is the cute little top, y'all. This was super cute. I just love the gray and white and black together, and it also has this white string in the front that you can tie up, and it has the white string down at the bottom, which if you wanted to make this a little tighter, and it has pockets on the side. So I got the top in a size medium, and it was $9.99, y'all. This is super cute. Like, I absolutely love this, and I actually could have went up a size only in the top because I am a little heavier up top. So this is a size medium, and it fits kind of tight, but like it's not too tight. So yeah, y'all, this is super cute. And the pants, I actually ended up getting this in a size small because I feel like these pants run kind of big, because normally I would get these in a size medium, but the medium was like really too big on me, so I ended up going with the size small. And the pants were $9.99 as well, y'all. And this outfit is like super cute, and they actually have more of these in different colors, and I am definitely going back to get more of these because these are like super cute to throw on if you are running errands or if you are working out or anything like that. It's super comfortable. So like I said, I am definitely going back to get more of these. Like, this whole set was just $20, y'all. This is perfect. So this is the second thing that I picked up from Rainbow. It's just this cute little sweater top. I absolutely love this orange color in this top. Like, the colors go perfect together, and I got this in a size medium as well. This top was on sale for $7, and it is super cute, and it is perfect for the weather right now, because y'all know the weather, well, I'm in Georgia, so the weather is pretty much up and down, and right now it's down. And so this would be perfect to wear right now, and I could throw on either some black boots, or I actually have some like brown boots that's the same shade as this color right here. So I will probably pair that together, y'all, with like some black jeans or either some white jeans, but I know like it's probably not the season for white jeans, but nonetheless I'll probably pair this with some black jeans and like some brown boots, and this will be perfect. And like I said, y'all, I did get this in a size medium, and it was on sale for $7. The original price on it was $13.97. so y'all, this is super cute, and I cannot wait to wear this. So the next thing I picked up is this cute little leopard shirt, which I absolutely love. Like, I've always wanted a top like this, but I never went and purchased one. So I finally picked up one from Rainbow, and this was on sale for $7. I ended up getting this in a size medium, and I cannot wait to wear this. I would definitely pair this with like some black slacks or some type of black jeans. I'm not exactly sure what type of shoes that I will wear with this, but y'all, I absolutely love this top. I thought it was super cute. So next, I picked up these cute little black slacks that they're just plain black, and I got these in a size medium. I actually only picked these up for work because I'm supposed to be wearing uniforms, but it's taking forever for my uniforms to come in, so I've just been dressing like business casual. So that's the only reason why I picked these slacks up. like I said, I did get these in a size medium, and yeah, Rainbow doesn't really have anything in there. Like $36. This doesn't even look like a Rainbow tag, so I'm guessing it came from a different store that Rainbow took in. So the original price that Rainbow had on here was $12, and then they had it marked down to $7. So yeah, I got these slacks for $7. Like I said, I would just be wearing these to work, and I actually could pair it with this top right here, which I don't think I would, but I could if I wanted to. So the next item I picked up from Rainbow is this cute little, just like this little shirt with the hood on it, and I absolutely love this. It also has like the strings down at the bottom where you can tie that up if you want to. I like to wear clothes that are more like chill if I'm not going out or anything. Like, I just thought this was super cute. I absolutely love shirts with hoods on it, and like I said, right now it is cold outside, so this is perfect to like throw on up under like a jean jacket or like a black leopard jacket. I just thought this was super cute, and this was actually on sale for $6, and I got this in a size medium. Like I said, I like clothes that you can just throw on and go but still look cute at the same time, so I thought this was super cute. Like I said, I will probably pair this with like a jean jacket, or I would throw on some jeans with this, and something really simple. So yeah, I picked this up, and of course $7, like why would I not buy this? So yeah, this was the next thing that I picked up. So I also picked up these cute, like super cute jeans from Rainbow. I love this distressed bottom part of the jeans. Like, I have not had any jeans like this. I've seen them around, but I've never purchased them myself, so I absolutely love this. And it also has the distressed part right here on the pants on each leg, and it also has distress on the back pockets. Y'all, these jeans were super cute. I ended up picking these up in a size 5, and the original price on these jeans were $20, and it had them marked down to $10, y'all. Okay, guys, so the next item that I picked up from Rainbow is this beautiful green and white button-up shirt. I got this in a size medium, and I believe this was also on sale for like $7. This is one of the shirts that I have already worn, but I actually just got it like 2 weeks ago, but I only got it to wear to work. And now that I have it, I actually have some green boots that I picked up from Rainbow like 2 years ago. It goes perfect with this top, so I thought this shirt was super cute, so I had to pick this up. So I also picked up this just simple cami from Rainbow. I got this in a size medium, and I just absolutely love wearing these up under my tops. These are always super good to grab from Rainbow because they always have them on sale for like 2 or 3 for a certain price. So last but not least, I picked up 2 accessories from Rainbow because I love accessories and I just cannot pass them up. I picked up this beautiful necklace set from Rainbow. It came with the pearl earrings. I really did not need the earrings, but I definitely had to have this necklace. It is one piece, which I did not know until the sales associate was ringing me up, and she told me that she actually had purchased the silver set and it was just one chain. So I needed to be very careful because it tangles up pretty quickly, and it was $6.99. So last but not least, I picked up these cute little like fashion pins or fashion bobby pins. I don't know what y'all call these, but I just call them like glam clips or something. And these were on sale for $3.99. So it comes with 2. It comes with the glam clip and it comes with the glam and also the dripping, which I already have a dripping that I picked up from the Beauty Supply store, but as y'all can see, the one from Rainbow is a lot bigger than that. So those were all of the items that I picked up from Rainbow within the past month or so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments, because y'all know I love communicating with y'all in the comment section. Y'all, we are almost at 6,000 subscribers. I am very, very thankful and grateful for all of you guys and the ones that are still coming in. Like, y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. So yeah, leave me some comments. Like I said, I love talking to y'all down in the comment section. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.